stillness of my studio, I gather fragments of your dreams, shape them into living stories, more than what they seem. Sparks of imagination dancing in the quiet in-between. I catch each spark of silver light, a whisper in the air. I cradle it in quiet hands, with tender, patient care. I let it drift through heart and mind, where fragile visions trace, until it settles softly in its perfect waiting place. I see it forming in the air before it can be found, a world that doesn't yet exist but longs to be unbound. It trembles on the edge of light between the then and now, a fragile dream awaiting hands to show it how. Dreams come true when you believe in what you see, painted in your colors, quietly shaped by me, built in tiny worlds of wonder. Every detail plays its part. I turn imagination into living, breathing art. I follow where the feeling leads, with steady, certain hands, turning drifting fragments into worlds that softly stand. I carve the quiet into shape, with time and tender pace. Magic isn't loud or bright, it breathes in gentle space. Dreams come true when you believe in what you see. Every fragile shimmer shaped so carefully by me, built in tiny worlds of wonder. Piece by piece they come alive. I turn the unseen into places where your dearest dreams survive. Tell me what you're dreaming of, a place or maybe a face, a room that holds 1,000 things time cannot erase. Lay it softly in my hands, let the quiet start. I'll turn your hidden longing into living, breathing art. Return to piano. Return to piano.